Hey everyone, this is Army of War. So I just got the 11 Pro Max 512 gig model. There it is, 512. And the only reason I got it 512 is because Apple Arcade, I do see a good increase of Apple Arcade. I think that's going to be a bonus for Apple. And you know Tech 21, I can't buy an iPhone without a Tech 21 case. Let's take out the case first. Now I got it in black, but this case comes with different mismatched buttons. Of course, I'm going to use the green buttons because I got the green case. All right, so we're going to start with the iPhone. All right, let's pull up slowly. Oof, oh, that looks nasty. Now, if you notice, the Apple logo is not at the top; it's at the bottom now, in the middle, which is kind of cool. I'm liking this 3-camera setup. That's pretty nice. All right, let's put that to the side for right now. Now, they give you the headphones, lightning. Now, this is the interesting part that I thought this should have happened a long time ago. USB Type-C to Lightning. Now, I wish that the phone had USB Type-C to begin with, because then it would have been compatible with a lot of devices, but you know how stubborn Apple is. They include a fast charger with the phone. That's something unheard of with Apple. I'm going to throw that to the side because I'm definitely going to need that. And those I don't really use. So, regular stuff. Of course, it better have my stickers because I use these stickers everywhere. Let's get back to the phone. All right. I'm going to let you people look at the phone. I already got fingerprints on it. Oh. All right, let's start up the phone. Hopefully it has some juice in it. Yes, it does. I'm gonna tilt it in a few. Just trying to get everything together. All right, I'm gonna put the Tech 21 case on in a few. Let's see. All right. Set up. Hold on, what? Oh, all right. I'm gonna bring it near the iPad and see if it'll set it up. Yeah, I guess it's because I'm recording. Let's just set it up manually. Right now, I'm going to skip, and it's going to be set up. All right. I'll see you later. All right, so we're back hours later. I had a lot of problems going on with the iPhone Max. I tried to do an iPhone restore, and it failed, and it froze on me, and it was stuck like that for hours, and I thought it was going to take that long. So I decided to do a restore, and then everything was all fine and dandy. I don't know how I didn't do that first, but yeah, let's go back to the review. It's a nice phone. I've been playing with it for a little while. I'm liking the camera setup. And let's, yeah, I'm loving it. Let's play a game right quick. Let's do some Frogger. Heck yeah. Yeah, let's do it in portrait. So there will be more videos on this phone. I'm sorry for the nonchalant video for right now, but I'll make up for it. I'm gonna put a lot more videos out for Apple Arcade. I should connect to a controller. I mean, I'm liking this game. I don't know why, but I play this game way too much. I've been playing it on my XR when it been released, because I was on the iOS 13 beta, so I got the early release. God dang it, there's no way I can go away around that. Go, 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 go. I'm stuck! Yeet. But yeah, I just wanted to show you some gameplay right now. I'm used to playing with controller, but if you want to see more gamer reviews or anything else with this phone, just leave it in the comment section below. As I said, I'm sorry for the half review that I did today because of the problems I had with the phone, but I will be putting out more videos. All right, have a nice day.